And yes, you can. Hi friends, welcome to the Energy Independent Show, where we cover product reviews, interviews, and hot news. I'm your host, Les Mood. According to topspeed.com, Tesla Model 3 police cars turn out to be an awesome cost-cutting investment. Todd Bertram of the Bargersville, Indiana Police Department has replaced one of the 4 Dodge Chargers with a Tesla Model 3 in August 2019, and it's been a happy experience for the Bargersville, Indiana Police Department so far. A Tesla fan asked Todd about his experience with the Model 3, and this is what Bertram had to say: better. I think the break-even point will be more like 19 months rather than 24, like we planned before. Bertram has mentioned that the department will save as much as $6,000 per year every year on gas. I'd like to see a car chase with that, wouldn't you? According to Tesla and Nikola, may have some semi-truck competition, according to greenfleet.com. Nordic firm Bring and Posten to trial Volta Zero electric truck. Nordic delivery firm Bring and Posten will be trialing a Volta Zero electric truck to support its inner city locations. Rob Fowler, chief executive officer of Volta Trucks, said, "I am delighted to be exclusively partnering with Bring to test the forthcoming Volta Zero in the Nordic important markets. Bring's inner city delivers vehicle requirements with their extensive network of pickup and drop-off locations, perfectly complements the design and performance of the Volta Zero with its 200 kilometers of range of full electric, zero emission operation." According to cleantechnia.com, new solar power breakthrough from maker of many things that make solar panels. The solar power supplier in question is Switzerland-based Meyerburger Technology Limited, which lays claim to setting the standard for equipment used by many of the world's PV manufacturers, has a next-generation heterojunction smart wire manufacturing process, which the company plans to keep all to itself instead of selling to others. A large proportion of the solar modules produced worldwide today are based on technologies developed by Meyerburger, the company states. The laundry list of high-tech equipment includes diamond wire saw for solar wafers, which hit the market back in 2014. Meyerburger cites a confirmed efficiency record of 25.4% for heterojunction solar cells produced through the new process. According to electric.com, Spain closes nearly half of its coal-fired power stations. Out of Spain's 15 coal-fired plants, 7 ceased operations on June 30th. 4 more will soon follow, putting Spain on track to ultimately become coal-free. The country closed all its coal mines 2.5 years ago as a result of the European Union banning their state aid. According to pvmagazine.com, Ikea invests more in solar energy by the day. In 2009, Ikea invested $2.8 billion in green energy, which contributed to the 1 million solar panels it was able to install on 370 stores and warehouses locations worldwide. As well, to power the contracts, the company was able to negotiate for shares of 2 American solar plants, which total 403 megawatts in capacity. Now in 2020, Ikea is furthering its commitment to renewable energy, announcing plans to install solar on every available square inch of one of the company's 10 superstores in Australia. Well, that's it for hot energy news. Thank you for joining us. The revolution is here. When you're ready for energy independence, make sure you go to sunestimator.com. We will see you soon.